Hey, my name's Wyatt, and today we're gonna be wrapping my Pop truck. Shh, it's a surprise. Before I get started, the pros show me everything I need to do. Oh yeah, I got this. I'm cleaning off the rounding of the taillight. That's how the pros do it. Hold on a second. That's better. First, I'm gonna use my finger. That went great, and now I'm gonna move over and lock it in place. Time for my favorite part, the heat gun. Ooh, an air bubble right there, but we can fix that. I'm gonna get these blinkers out right here. That went good, and now it's time for the squeegee. This is looking great. Pops is gonna love this. Time to cut, safety first, y'all. Not bad for a second grader. Time to rip it all off. How'd I do?
What are you doing, dude? What's my truck doing in here?
What's his truck doing?
We wrapped your tail lights.
You wrapped my tail lights?
Mm-hmm.
You did that? That's what I'm talking about.